Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. I'm going to make some burritos today, beef burritos. I've got some rice in there, black beans, a few other bits. You can put what you like in, can't you? Let's get moving. Okay, let's get started on this. So I've got some beef here, cut into nice strips, tomato, onion, garlic, and then here I've got 4 spices, oregano, paprika, chili, and cumin powder, equal amounts. Let's get to the cooker and get this moving. Okay, so I've got some olive oil in there, and we're going to add our beef. In that goes. Cut into long strips. We're going to cook this now for about 5 to 6 minutes just by itself. I want to really kind of give it a nice head start. We need to get this really nice and tender. Okay, there we go. Now, depending on the quality of your beef, you might need to cook that a lot longer. And you may have seen me before. If you've got a really bad quality or a low quality, get some water in there and boil it out, let it steam out, and that will really help it. But this is looking really good. Let's go. Let's get in our onion, our garlic. And I'm staying on a kind of fairly lively heat here, quite a high heat. Black pepper. Salt. Keep it moving now, I'll be back in 4 minutes. Okay, wonderful stuff. Now I'm going to drop in that tomato and our spices. So let's just take one more look. We've got equal parts here, like a teaspoon or so each of oregano, paprika, chili, and cumin powder. I like that little mix. And again, 3 minutes, high heat. This tomato's going to give it just a little bit of moisture. Okay, off goes the heat there. And I'm happy like that. Now, some people would now add black beans in there, cilantro, corn, and mix it all together. We're going to do that all separately. I've got some bits we're going to do. So that's just our nice cooked beef ready. Let's move on. So steaming hot there, you can see our beef ready. I've got some cold basmati cooked rice. You can use a different type of rice if you want. Bell peppers, I've got some black beans, raw onion, cheese, I'm using a cheddar, and sweet corn. Now, you can put whatever you like in this. You can put a load of chili and a load of sort of jalapenos or something. No cheese, loads of cheese, different type of cheese. It's up to you, but this is what I'm going to go with now. Let's take a look at our tortilla. So I'm going to be using these corn tortilla today, or wraps. You can use a whole wheat one or just a plain white one, and they'll come in, you know, various sizes. Some will be bigger than this or smaller. That's about, I don't know what that is, 12 inches maybe, 10 inches. Now if you wanted, you can put these in the microwave, just give them a few seconds and make them hot. You can do them cold if you want, or some people will just put them on a dry skillet or a pan and just flip them over. What we're going to do is we're going to fill our ones, and then I'm going to put them into a George Foreman type sandwich press. So I've got some of our beef strips in the center there, and then like I say, you just add what you like really and how you like. So I'm going to put a little bit of sweet corn in there. I like a little bit of plain rice in there. Just a few black beans. A little bit of the thinly sliced bell pepper. And I like a little bit of raw onion in there. Then a bit of cheddar cheese. Well, I'm feeling good about that. Now, there's tons of ways of folding these over. I just like to go like so, and like so, and then like so, and like so, like that. And then I pop them, if you turn it over, it's a bit easier to look at. And I pop them into the grill, and they'll seal really nicely. Okay, so I've just made 3 of those. I've actually tightened them up a little bit. When I showed you before, it was a little bit, these are just a bit more sort of compact now. What we're going to do simply is get them into our kind of press grill, and that's it. They're going to be beautiful. So yeah, I've got one of these. It's like a George Foreman. It's not actually a George Foreman, but you get the idea, don't you? Let's get these in. I'll just get 2 in at a time. press them down. Maximum heat for me, 4 minutes, beautiful. Okay, there you go, super easy. Chuck what you like in. They look pretty good to me. I'm gonna tuck right into them. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.